In recent years, industry has undergone a massive transformation. It's no longer just about automating production lines. Today we are dealing with three pillars that define a new era: data, connections, and decisions. One of the key challenges in the rail industry is management of changes during production and retrofit scope, especially when dealing with complex electrical systems. We work with the client during the pre-serial process, verified whether design assumptions were accurately reflected in production. If discrepancy were found, change requests short CR were created. Data, we are collecting more of than ever before. Using different type of monitoring systems, we have so many information, but can we use it effectively? Today, we are solving problems like first, predictive issue resolution in rail retrofit, cross-department collaboration, upskilling teams in real time, and this is what we do today. On the predictive issue resolution in rail retrofit, we're using live data streams to identify potential failures in electrical systems before occur. Collaboration, breaking down silos so maintenance, logistic or team respond to alerts as unified system, not isolated functions. 5 years ago, we had the data. Today, we have the methods. The most critical human skill in my daily work in contextual understanding. The ability to connect technical data with real-world operational insights. The real shift isn't just the technology. At ALTEN, we believe industry's future isn't written by algorithms alone. It's shaped by people who know how to use them. Our job is to make that possible, like our motto, ALTEN, building tomorrow's world today.